Good day and welcome back. Now this was supposed to be a short video, but we live in South Africa and we live on African time, so here is our Boere version of a 3-minute short. How to make a 3-ingredient lip balm. Okay, firstly we're going to weigh off our ingredients. We are going to use 4 grams of tallow. If you want to make a vegan version, you can use shea butter as well. The tallow and shea butter got the same consistency, so it should be an easy 1-to-1 swap here. Next up is going to be 3 grams of beeswax. Now again, for a vegan version, you can use candelilla wax. I've never used candelilla wax before, so I'm not sure if you can use a 1-to-1 gram replacement for beeswax, so you need to experiment maybe a little bit here. Okay. Then we're going to use 3 grams of any lightweight oil. This can be sunflower oil, olive oil, really doesn't matter. I like to use castor oil, which is a little bit more of a heavier oil, but it does have lovely anti-inflammatory properties and it's just quite healing for the skin. So I love my castor oil here. You can use essential oil, which is optional, so then it's going to be a 4-ingredient lip balm, but we're going to come back to that later when we're in the cool down phase. Okay, now we're going to make a makeshift double boiler. You can put a piece of cotton towel on the bottom, or you can use a silicone cup holder like I did here. I found it at the thrift store and it's easy because then you don't need to deal with a soaking wet cloth afterwards. Okay, here we're going to speed things up a little bit and melt everything down. Just keep in mind that beeswax does take a while to melt down. Okay, as soon as your mixture is cooled down below 60 degrees Celsius, you can add your essential oils or fragrance oil. If you use fragrance oil, just make sure that it is lip safe. It is lovely. I like to use spearmint. That's one of the lovely ones that I like to use. And then we're going to pour our mixture into either lip balm tubes or tubs. So this is your preference if you prefer the tubes or so. This mixture is enough for about 3 tubes. So we're just going to fill them up and then we need to let them cool down before we're going to close them up and label them any way that you like. Now for this, if your balm ends up a little bit too hard or a little bit too soft to your liking, it's easy, just push them out, remelt them again and add a little bit more oil for a softer version or a little bit more wax for a harder version. And we're all done. So thank you for your time, thank you for supporting my channel. Just hit the like and subscribe and a little notification bell. And then the next video that's going to come out is most probably going to be a baby balm cream. So keep well and I'll see you guys next time.